How to use AI for Google My Business SEO for 2024. In this video, we'll guide you through the latest strategies and updates to boost your local rankings. Let's dive in. First, let's discuss why Google My Business, or GMB, is crucial. GMB helps your business appear in local search results, making it easier for potential customers to find you. A well-optimized GMB profile can significantly enhance your local SEO. Now, let's talk about how AI can enhance your GMB profile. With advancements in AI, tools like Google's AI-driven insights and third-party platforms can analyze data and provide actionable recommendations. These tools can optimize your profile, ensuring it stands out. First, use AI-powered keyword research tools. Tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs utilize AI to identify the best keywords for your business. These tools analyze search volume, competition, and relevancy to suggest optimal keywords. Incorporating these keywords into your GMB profile can improve visibility. Next, leverage AI to generate high-quality content. AI tools like Jasper or Copy.ai can help create engaging posts and updates for your GMB listing. Regularly updating your profile with relevant content keeps your audience engaged and improves SEO. Another crucial aspect is managing reviews. AI can help monitor and respond to reviews efficiently. Tools like Reviews or Yext Reviews analyze sentiment and provide suggested responses, ensuring you address customer feedback promptly and positively. AI can also optimize your photos. Tools like Scenify or Let's Enhance use AI to enhance image quality and ensure they meet Google's guidelines. High-quality images make your profile more attractive and professional. Additionally, AI-driven analytics tools can track your GMB performance. Tools like Google Analytics and Moz use AI to provide insights into how users interact with your profile. These insights help you understand what's working and what needs improvement. Lastly, stay updated with Google's latest features and updates. Google often rolls out new features, and AI tools can help you adapt quickly. For example, AI can identify new attributes to add to your profile, keeping it current and competitive. Conclusion. To summarize, AI can significantly enhance your GMB profile by optimizing keywords, generating content, managing reviews, improving images, and providing performance insights. Embrace these AI tools and strategies to stay ahead in 2024.